Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the bacon flavored dog toy. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. I want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, what's packaging like, etc. So I'm not sure how complicated this is going to be. It doesn't look too bad. Basically for teething, building a relationship with your dog. Let's take a look at everything we get. Boy, you can smell it when you open the box. So it said it was going to be bacon flavored, but it really does smell like bacon. When I opened the box, I could smell it right away. So let's take a look at the item. It is a hard plastic chew toy. And then you've got these little grooves in here that I think are kind of designed for you to be able to put peanut butter or something like that, so your dog has something to lick or bite. Got this rope. It's nice and thick, which will run through here. And then let's see, I think we're going to do something like that. You'll hold on this end, your dog will hold on this end. You basically play tug of war with it. As you pull it, makes a squeaking noise. The nice thing, I've been having issues with my dog's toys where they're chewing it up and tearing its pieces. This thing is hard. He will not be able to tear this up. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing. Let's see if the dog likes it.